Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy fried rice right at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 4 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This is key for that perfect texture. Also, prepare 1 small onion, 1 medium carrot, and 2 scallions, all finely chopped. Don't forget 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and 2 to 3 large eggs, lightly beaten. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your chopped onion, carrot, and minced garlic, stir-frying for about 1 to 2 minutes until they're fragrant and slightly softened. Next, push the vegetables to one side of the pan, add another tablespoon of oil, and quickly scramble your 2 to 3 beaten eggs. Once cooked, break them into smaller pieces and mix with the vegetables. It's time to bring in the main star. Add your 4 cups of cold, cooked rice to the pan, making sure to break up any clumps for a fluffy result. Next, incorporate 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, stirring and cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are thawed and warm. Now, drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Toss everything together until the rice is beautifully coated and thoroughly heated. Almost done, continue to stir-fry your rice for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to get slightly crispy. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch more salt or pepper if you like. Finally, garnish your freshly made fried rice with the vibrant green parts of your sliced scallions. Serve this warm, flavorful dish immediately to your family and friends. Enjoy your easy, homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.